I am a creative and talented YouTuber. My YouTube channel is growing every day. I am passionate about creating content for my viewers. I have a unique voice and perspective that sets me apart. My videos are engaging, entertaining, and informative. I am committed to providing value to my audience. I have the skills and resources to create high-quality content. My channel is attracting a loyal and supportive community. I am constantly learning and improving my craft. I am confident in my abilities as a content creator. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way. I am worthy of success and recognition. My content inspires and motivates others. I am making a positive impact on people's lives through my videos. I have the courage to take risks and try new things. I am open to feedback and constructive criticism. I am resilient and can overcome any challenges that come my way. I am resourceful and can find solutions to any problem. I am focused and disciplined in my work. I am capable of achieving my goals and dreams. My YouTube channel is a platform for my creativity and self-expression. I am proud of the content I create and the impact it has on others. I am constantly improving my skills and knowledge as a YouTuber. I am attracting like-minded people who support and encourage me. I am making a difference in the world through my videos. My content is authentic and genuine. I am building a brand that represents who I am and what I stand for. I am worthy of success and recognition. I am confident in my ability to build a successful YouTube channel. I am passionate about helping others through my videos. I am committed to creating content that is inclusive and welcoming to all. I am grateful for the opportunities that come my way as a YouTuber. I am making a positive impact on the world through my videos. I am a respected and influential voice in my niche. I am capable of achieving any goal I set my mind to. My YouTube channel is a platform for positive change and social impact. I am constantly growing and learning as a content creator. I am attracting an audience that is aligned with my values and vision. I am proud of the impact my videos have on people's lives. I am fearless in pursuing my dreams and goals. I am worthy of love and support from my viewers. I am grateful for the opportunity to share my passions and interests with the world. I am making a difference in the world through my videos. I am building a community of like-minded individuals who support and encourage each other. I am dedicated to creating content that is informative, entertaining, and inspiring. I am confident in my ability to grow my channel and reach a wider audience. I am constantly improving my skills as a content creator. I am attracting opportunities and collaborations that align with my values and vision. I am worthy of success and recognition. I am committed to creating a positive and uplifting community through my videos. I am a confident and effective communicator. I am attracting the right viewers who resonate with my message. I am proud of the content I create and the impact it has on others. I am always learning and growing as a YouTuber.